at ayan, mag-wheat bread tayo. Meron tayong ano ba yun, seaweed, avocado, century tuna, sandwich bread, hindi mayonnaise, lettuce and cheese. Ayan. Dinner. Si Pops ito toast niya lang yun sa kanya. Avocado and lettuce.
Idol po si Tanggol. Bilang traffic po si Idol kita Tanggol.
Hindi siya nakakalimot na kahit ganun lumasa.
Tomatoes, cucumber, and carrots. Lagyan natin ng seaweed. Seaweed something. And our tuna. And mayonnaise later. Cheese. Our avocado sandwich for dinner.